This client presses her hair out twice a year, and today she's getting the silk press, steam hydration, and a trim. This client would like to maintain her length, so during the trim, we're going to keep that in mind. First, we're going to shampoo and condition the hair, and next we're going to hydrate this client for 20 minutes. Once we rinse the conditioner, we're going to detangle. Notice I'm detangling from the ends up to the root. So it took me about 5 minutes to detangle this client's hair. How long do you think her service lasted? I'll just tell you that when she walked in and I saw her hair, I said to myself, I get to leave early today. Although her hair is very thick, using my technique, I knew that I could have her in and out in less than an hour and a half. If she had not hydrated, I could have had her in and out in less than an hour. Here I'm blow drying her hair. The first thing I do is I blow dry the hair to dry it a little bit. Then I go in at the ends of the hair and work my way up. Her blow dry took about 12 minutes to complete. And then after the blow dry, I'm going to silk the hair with one pass. Our blow dry gets the hair straight enough that we don't have to do double passes when we silk the hair before we style. Notice that her ends are very brittle, and she was definitely in need of a trim. Next, we're going to trim her ends. And we're going to take off what needs to come off. Remember, she gets her hair trimmed twice a year. To promote growth, we suggest that you trim your ends every 2 months. This client wanted loose curls, so we're going to curl her hair. To maintain this style, the client is going to pin curl her hair at night, and she's going to use Natural Hair Rock Silk Essentials to apply to the ends of her hair before she pin curls her hair. This client stated that her silk press lasts normally 4 weeks. And this is the finished result. And she's good for 4 weeks.